Let's also have a look at the quiz based on the variable manipulation video that we saw before. So these are in total 8 questions. Let's see if we can get them right. So what is the best way to tell if the following two strings are equal? Well, since we're dealing with strings, we have to use the is equal to, no, equals this one. So username 1 equals username 2. Okay, this is because we are dealing with reference type. So string is a reference type, is an object. Okay. After the following code is run, what will the variable endpoint be assigned to? So endpoint 11 modulo 3, this is gonna be 1, because, well, I can tell is gonna be 1 simply because this one, so the number after the modulo sign, and this is by the way, this is a trick to know the answer quite quickly. If the value after the modulo sign is even, then, well, anyways, this is gonna be, no, really? The remainder? Yeah, of course. So never mind. The modulo operator returns the remainder. The remainder of 11 divided by 3 is 2. Yeah, because you think 3, 6, 9. So you're gonna have 3. 9 is gonna be 2. Of course it's gonna be 2. Yeah. So 3 goes into 11 3 times. That makes it 9. So 3, 6, 9. Yeah, that's 3 times. And then 11 minus 9 is 2. So the modulo would have been 2. The expression 5 not equals to 6 will evaluate to what value? So 5 does not equal to 6. This is true, okay? Because 5 is indeed not equal to true, okay? Not equal to 6. Which operator can be used to concatenate two strings? We talked about this, and previously this is going to be the plus sign. What does the following code do? System.out.print 8 is smaller or equal to 8. It's going to print true because 8, indeed, we're checking, is 8 smaller than or equal to 8? Yes, it is, because it's equal to 8. Okay. What does the following string concatenation evaluate? So it's 5 p.m. It's going to be this one. It's p.m. error. Well, it should be pretty much a what? To what value does the following string concatenation evaluate? I would say maybe it could be an error because it doesn't have the semicolon at the end. If it would have the semicolon at the end, it would be it's 5 p.m. Okay, so I'm gonna say error, but see, there you go. Are there any errors in this Java statement? Int status 7, yes it is, because this is gonna evaluate to a boolean, so this is gonna be true or false. Well, in our case it's gonna be false. 7 smaller than 8. This is gonna evaluate to true, and it should be boolean. Yes, it should be boolean. Okay. And the last one, how could we get the result of 10 given the following variable? Really? A minus 12? No. A, this one, okay? Easy peasy. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video.